Hello, my colleagues. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome as well. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how you, as a Nigerian investor, can start building a dividend-paying portfolio. I'm talking about a portfolio that over time can literally start funding your lifestyle. Whether you are starting with just 5,000 naira or you have already built something serious like 100 million naira or more. In this video, I'll help you think clearly about dividend investing and how to structure your money to start working for you. So watch the end, take notes if you can. I'll keep it simple and real. And I beg, if you have not liked the video yet, quickly do that right now. Subscribe if you are new here as well. And please help me share this video with one person or even a group that you belong to. Let's help more Nigerians get their money right. There's also a link in the description and comment section that you can use to join my business and investing community. That's my WhatsApp channel. I share updates there first before any other place. And if you love to book a one-on-one investing call with me, there is a link in the description as well. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Well, dividend-paying stocks, or you can say dividends, are just a company sharing part of its profits with you because you are a shareholder. For example, there is this company I own in my portfolio called VFD Group. Recently, they paid me some dividends. The reason being that I own shares in the company. So instead of just holding a stock and waiting for the price to go up, which is capital appreciation, we are getting regular alerts from that company called dividends. Now, let's talk about why dividend-paying stocks really matter, especially in Nigeria right now. Let's be honest, the cost of living has gone up across the board in Nigeria. Food is expensive, fuel is expensive, even small things like transport and data are eating into our pockets currently. So if your only source of income is just salary or you're being hustled, it can be very, very limiting. And that's where dividend paying stocks come into play. They give you a chance to earn steady income from your investments without selling anything. Imagine waking up one day and you get an alert, 25,000 naira dividend from Zenith Bank. Imagine that for a moment. Or even 8,000 naira dividend from MTN, Nigeria. Imagine that for a moment. Remember, you didn't have to do anything this month. It came only simply because you own shares in the company. Now, it might not be a lot at the beginning. Maybe it's just 12,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira coming in here and there. But as you grow your portfolio, that number actually grows too. And before you know it, it starts covering real expenses, bills, groceries, and maybe even your rent. Imagine not having to collect from your own personal pockets to pay rent. That's the power of dividends. You are literally getting a portion of a company's profit sent to your account just for being a shareholder. And unlike trading or speculating, you don't have to check charts every day like some of us who actually trade. You can focus on building a long-term portfolio and let the income come in over time. In an unstable economy like Nigeria, dividend-paying stocks give you peace of mind. Even if the stock price goes down or up, the company might still pay you as long as they are doing well financially. If your long-term goal is financial stability or even freedom, dividend investing should be a part of your investment strategy. So the question now is, who exactly is dividend investing for? The short answer is almost everyone. Whether you're just starting your investment journey with 5,000 naira or you already have millions working for you, dividend investing fits right into your plan. Let me break it down. If you're a student or just getting started, you can start small and build discipline. The goal at this stage isn't the amount, it's actually the habit. Even if you are getting 200 naira dividend, it teaches you to think long term and be consistent with your investment. If you're a working class Nigeria, this one is important. You already have a salary coming in and that's perfect. Use part of that to build your dividend portfolio that can one day replace or support your salary. Imagine reaching a point where your dividends are helping you pay your children's school fees, rent, or even fund your dirty December plans. Imagine that for a moment. If you're a business owner or self-employed, you already understand cash flow. Dividend investing helps you create a second stream of income, one that doesn't depend on your daily hustle or market conditions. Now, if you're close to retirement or thinking long term, you're not actually left out. Dividend stocks are perfect here. They give you regular cash flow, and with the right strategy, you can build a portfolio that keeps paying you every single year. So yeah, dividend investing is for any Nigerian who wants to build consistent wealth slowly but surely, without relying on luck or even hype. The key is to start, then stay consistent. Over time, your money starts working harder than you. Now, let's jump into things to look out for when finding a good dividend paying stock as a Nigerian investor. Well, the first thing you need to look out for is dividend yield. You might be wondering, what is dividend yield? And actually, this one actually comes up a lot in my comment section. People ask me, Micah, what's the dividend yield? They list out the top dividend yielding companies in Nigeria. Let me simply put it this way. Dividend yield tells you how much a company is paying you every year in dividends compared to the current price of the stock. Let me break it down for you properly. Let's say a stock is currently trading at 10 Naira and the company pays 1 Naira per share as a dividend for the year. To calculate the dividend yield, you're going to say 1 Naira they're paying you as dividend divided by the 10 Naira that their stock price is currently trading at. That means you are getting a 10% return on your money every year, because 1 Naira divided by 10 is equal to 0.10 times that by 100, that's 10%. So you are getting 10% return on your money every year just from dividends. Now compare that to another stock that is currently trading at 50 Naira and pays a dividend of 1 Naira 50 kobo. Even though 1 Naira 0.50 kobo is more money than the 1 Naira you are getting, the 10 Naira stock is actually giving you more value per Naira that you invest. Because when you do 1 Naira 0.50 kobo divided by 50, you see that the dividend yield in percentage value is not much. But here is the catch. Don't just chase high dividend yielding companies. If you see a company offering you 20%, 30% yield, that might actually look very sweet, but many times it's because the stock price has dropped sharply. Maybe the business is actually struggling. Always ask yourself, why is the yield high? Is the business healthy? Can they keep paying this dividend next year? Use dividend yield as a helpful tool, not the final decision maker when you're trying to invest in dividend paying stocks. Secondly, you want to look at the dividend history. You want to check how consistently the company has been paying dividends. A company like Zenith Bank or GTCO has built a solid reputation of paying dividends every year, even in tough economic times. That consistency shows that they are reliable and profitable enough to share money with shareholders. You don't want a company that pays this year, then skips the next 2 years, then randomly pays again. Then you want to actually look for track record. One way to check the dividend history of any company you are considering investing into is to visit this website below, easykobo.com. Then click on the place that says dividends. Then you want to enter the ticker symbol of the company you want to invest into. For example, let's assume I want to check the dividend history of GT Bank. The ticker symbol is GTCO. So I type GTCO. Then as you can see, it proceeds to show me the dividend history of GTCO. And then I can consider if I want to invest in GTCO or not. It is actually worth knowing that this website does not show the most recent dividend of the company. As you can see, for example, the 2023 and 2024 dividends of GTCO are not shown. So you want to also visit another website called allafricanfinancials.com. Visit this website to check the recent dividend payment of any company of your choice. The third thing you want to now look out for is the company's business model. Ask yourself, is this a company that actually makes money regularly? For example, banks like UBA, Access Bank, Zenith, they earn steady income from loans and other services. So they are able to pay dividends more often. But a tech startup or an oil exploration company might not have that stable cash flow yet. Some of them reinvest their profits, so they may not pay anything for years. So before investing, understand how the company makes money and how stable that income is. So now, let's get real for a second, guys. Let's say you have a dream that you want to build a portfolio that pays you 1 million naira every month in passive income. That's actually 12 million naira per year. Is it possible when it comes to dividend investing? The short answer is yes, but not overnight. It will take time, planning, and compounding. So let me walk you through the exact steps to start building this kind of dividend paying portfolio that is worth 12 million naira. Step number 1, look for companies that actually pay dividends. Don't waste your time with companies that don't pay shareholders. Start with dividend paying stocks, especially when it comes to Nigeria, banks, insurance companies, Sometimes insurance don't pay, but you want to, there are still some insurance companies that pay. And then you want to also look for mature companies that have a history of rewarding investors. Think the likes of Zenith Bank, GTCO, UBA Bank, Access Bank, Seplat, and even Aradel Holdings. These companies have strong cash flow, pay dividends consistently, often have mid-year and full-year payouts. You can research these companies on sites like EasyKobo, like I mentioned earlier, or All African Financials for the most recent dividends. Step 2 is to understand when these companies usually pay their dividends. This is actually key. Most Nigerian companies pay dividends twice a year. Interim, which is like mid-year, and final, which is like end of the year. Let's say GTCO pays 0.50 kobo in the middle of the year and 2 naira 50 kobo at the end of the year. That's a total dividend of 3 naira per share annually. So if your goal is 12 million naira per year, you need to build a portfolio that pays you that across the full year, regardless of whether the company pays quarterly or biannually. Step 3 is to break down the math. How many shares do you need, or do I need, to be able to make that amount of money? Let's say Zenith Bank currently pays 4 naira in total dividends per year. To earn 12 million naira per year from just Zenith Bank, you're going to have to do 12 million naira divided by 4 naira per share. That's equal to 3 million shares. So if Zenith Bank is currently trading at 35 naira per share, 3 million shares times 35 naira, that's 105 million naira. So you need to invest 105 million naira to make 12 million naira in terms of dividend payment. Now, I know most of you will think, Micah, I don't have 105 million naira lying around, and that's where compounding actually comes in. And that moves us to step 4. Start small. Let compounding work for you. Even if you start with just 50,000 naira or 500,000 naira, the key is to keep reinvesting your dividend income. And here's how that works. You buy 1,000 shares this year. Next year, you get dividend for that 1,000 shares. You invest that dividend into buying more shares. Year after year, you compound both your capital and your dividend income. With time and consistency, you could, go from 10,000 naira in dividend income to 100,000 naira to then 1 million naira, eventually hitting 1 million naira per month in dividends. The timeline depends on your discipline and how much you can invest over time. Step 5. Finally, you want to diversify your dividend portfolio. Don't rely on just one company. You want to build across sectors. Banking, you look at the likes of Zenith Bank, GTCO, UBA Bank. Then you can look at the insurance sector, the energy sector, consumer goods, agriculture, telecoms. This way, even if one company cuts dividends, others can keep your income flowing in. One thing I would advise though is, if you're starting with small capital, you want to just start with one company, and then as your income grows, you can consider, adding more dividend paying stocks to your portfolio. Final tip, guys, you want to track your progress like a businessman or businesswoman. I cannot emphasize this enough. You want to create a spreadsheet that tracks each stocks that you own, the number of shares, dividend per share, total income, and payout date. Every time you get paid, you update this your sheet and reinvest where necessary. And there you have it, guys. This is how you build a solid 12 million naira dividend paying stock portfolio. I hope you found value in this video. If you have any questions or enjoyed the video, do well to leave a comment. There's also a link to join my business and investing WhatsApp channel is in the description and pinned comment. And don't forget, you can always book a session with me, and smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Deal.